typically do one of two things. They either kind of fade away and kind of get caught up in the challenges. You know what I mean? The challenges are overwhelming. What am I going to do? And they focus a lot on that. There's not a lot of thinking going on. There's a lot of panic and crisis. But then there's another kind of person that emerges during times of crisis too, which again, Dr. Franklin, I'll give you credit as a great leader. We say, what can we do right now? What can we do right now? And that's the kind of leadership that realizes that there is crisis, but we're not going to let crisis stop us from advancing. But you are champions. And let me tell you something, seriously. I don't care what anyone says. Educators, schools, and school systems in our country and even abroad are the most critical, important aspects of what we do, because we can't do anything without you all. Seriously, our reading starts with you, our writing starts with you, our communication starts with you. So I just want you during this time, even though it's challenging, don't look at it like it's just challenging. Who am I? No, you are important. So one thing I'll talk about first with the self-empowerment is this: self-empowerment takes the right attitude. Attitude is so, it's interesting. We talk about this stuff all the time and we hear it and we hear motivational speakers, but right now it is really important. Right? So self-empowerment, just a few keys. One, eat right and exercise, please. You don't have to be a guru, but, do something, get some, there's all kinds of free stuff out there right now. Find maybe a 25-minute exercise plan that works for you. So another thing is creating a mini motivational mastermind, like what we're doing right here on Zoom. Maybe 3 or 4 of you, may get together and say, hey, we're going to do a call every other week, every other day. But we're just going to say, how are you doing? What's going on? What best practices are you using? What have you found that is most engaging with your students? So it's like you want to have a sense of accountability to someone.